Hi everyone, just come out of my press conference there, getting ready to train on the pitch for the first time. It looks a great stadium. We had a long flight in last night, most of the lads were quite tired, but we got a good night's sleep, so the camp's buzzing now. So we'll train in the stadium, get a feel for the place, get a feel for the pitch, and then we'll rest up again tonight and get a good night's sleep hopefully, and then really concentrate on the game tomorrow.
A huge game for Wales, but a massive game for you as well on your 50th.
You know, I'm obviously aware that it's my 50th cap, but you know, it's something that I'll enjoy after the game. Probably, you know, I'm not really concentrating on my 50th cap. I'm just, you know, trying to get the job done in the 90 minutes, really, and you know, that's the focus. That's what's been the focus all week for me.
A big night for Ashley Williams, earning his 50th cap.
All he needs to do is what he's always done for us, and that's lead beyond the pitch. I don't think there's a game where he's come off where I could have asked much more from him. You know, and players like that with 50 caps, he knows how important the situation is, the game is. He knows how important he is to that. So, but it's fitting that he gets his 50th cap against Israel, a good team like Israel, full house, great atmosphere, in such a big game, you know. And he's earned that, and I'm sure he'll enjoy it.
Okay.